Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 6 Fruit Street, Unit 2, and this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in Worcester, Mass. And I'm just going to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through the front here. So down that hallway and into this room is through the front hallway. And once you come in, the first thing that you kind of see is all the new finishes in here. So, you know, the paint's in really great shape, and so is the floor, the ceilings, these fixtures, and it's going to become more apparent as we go throughout the apartment. But I just want to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of this place as I can. Starting out with the living room. So, you know, this living room is easily big enough for at least a sectional couch and an entertainment system, you know, coffee table and all that. And that would be even without this extra kind of area for the living room. So living room has this little space, and essentially it could be some kind of a storage space depending on how you use it. So you could put some curtains up there, and this has storage. There's also some outlets in here, so it could be additional for other things that you might want to plug in or things like that. So you have that as an addition to the living room. If you look right over here, this is the kitchen. It's one of the standouts of this apartment because it's got the granite countertops and the stainless steel appliances, including the stainless steel sink bin. Cabinets look like they're in great shape as well, and the backsplash and everything. It's a 5-top gas stove. Actually, let me double check. Yeah, it is 5-top. And the baseboards that are in here are going to be electric as well. So you got electric heat. And double check the listing for that as always, because usually that's part of it. Looks to be a brand new fridge over there. Yeah, it does look to be that way. You still have the tape in it, the packaging tape. So that appears to be fresh out of the box. And as you come through here, you kind of pass by the main entrance, and then there's the bathroom. So there's a full bathroom in here. It's got the heater. It's got the knob on it for the electric heat. The finish is in really good shape, and so is the backsplash. So you got the full bath with the shower head right there and a toilet. So it's a nice little size for a bathroom. Then you come through here. We can take a look at the other two rooms in this apartment. They're the bedrooms. So you got bedroom number 1. Over here, it's got a big closet, whole width of that wall. And you know, these bedrooms could fit like a queen size bed or desk/dresser combo, which would be pretty much what you would need for a bedroom. Then you got this one in here, might be a little bigger than the other one unless they're evenly sized. This one has a handicap access, so it's a ramp that comes through the back door here. So then this door goes all the way out to the back. It's got the baseboards in it as well, so you know this one could also go with the queen size bed, desk dresser, and it's got the sliding closet door. And if you want to know about this apartment or any of the other apartments that we have for rent, you can go to Nexus, WOR.com/vacancies and go to our for rent page, set something up with a leasing agent today. And once again, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester, 6 Fruit Street, Unit 2.